Man, this time of year is rough.
Oh, yeah.
You know, there's so much you got to do. You got to shop for people. And, well, I'll tell you, I went to the mall, and you might not believe this, but it was gone.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, you know, Kevin, 'tis the season.
Lad, what are you speaking of?
I'm talking about the most cherished holiday in all American history.
Oh.
Black Friday! Welcome to Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Adron.
I'm your host, Kevin.
Hey, if you like this video and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. Today,
Yes.
we have something very special. It is a Black Friday special brought to you by DHgate.
And what does Black Friday mean exactly? You know, I don't think it's pretty much saturated the entire planet yet, like maybe just 80% or so.
Right.
Could you explain to the people out there?
Well, you know, for those who don't know,
Yeah.
Black Friday is that special time of year shortly after Thanksgiving and right before Christmas, where you buy everything you can as fast as you can because you want to get those gifts for little Timmy.
Can't disappoint Timmy.
Gotta get that discount PS5.
Discount, you say? All right. So, everybody out there, Black Friday saves you money.
We have two products here that DHgate really wants you to save money on. Let's talk about it for a little bit, shall we?
You want to talk about it?
Oh yeah, let's talk about it.
All right, we'll talk about it.
The first one is the Lenovo XT90 TWS Bluetooth 5.0 earphones. These babies got low latency, hi-fi bass, waterproofing, and noise-canceling microphones with Type-C charging.
Type-C charging is the most convenient kind of charging.
It is quite convenient. What I like about these guys is that they're like waterproof, so like, you know, it always happens, like you have them on your desk and then you splash some water and you think, oh no, my headphones, they're broken. But they're not.
Well, let's just put it out there. When you even get, to a brief jog, you kind of sweat a lot.
It's true, especially inside my ears.
Yeah.
As I said earlier, these guys have low latency, so it's like a Bluetooth 5.0 chip. That means it gives you a pretty stable connection throughout, so you no longer have to do anything like gaming with wired headphones, which is very convenient and very nice. These guys also have really fast pairing, so you're not going to have to wait in anticipation for your earphones to pair to your phone and just wonder all of the mistakes you made in your life.
I think about that kind of stuff every day, usually right when I wake up.
Yeah. But luckily, these guys also have a charging case with 300 hours of standby time. That's
300 hours, so you can charge them, leave them alone, put them in your laptop case, your backpack, and you just know that they're going to be there, ready to work for you.
Yeah,
I like that.
they're here for you. Hey, normally these guys are like $20, but with DHgate's discounts, you get $12.72. Yeah, $12.72 plus any additional discounts they might have, which they have a lot of discounts we're going to talk about in a minute.
A lot of discounts, you say?
Oh, a lot of discounts.
Ties into that whole Black Friday thing that he was talking about, you know?
But before we get into this product demo, let's talk about our second set of earbuds.
Let's.
Yes. Our second set of earphones are the Lenovo LP6 TWS gaming earphones. These babies are wireless Bluetooth headphones with noise reduction and dual mode headset for esports gaming.
Technology improves.
Yes, with precise pickup of these earphones. Yeah, it has precise pickup, so it enhances whatever sound you're hearing, which is really nice even if you're just listening to music. You don't have to worry about these headphones because they have a 6-hour battery life with 180 hours of standby time with their charging case.
That is quite excellent.
Very excellent. So if you're on the train or on the bus and you want to pull out your Switch, play some games, you can do that. Just pull them out, put them in.
And, you kind of got to realize we sort of just live with our wireless earbuds these days. They're just a normal, permanent accessory. So you're going to want ones that not only sound great and have a secure connection, but are going to have that standby battery life and that actual amount of usage.
Especially with up to 10 meters hearing distance.
Well, that's great because, I like to just, wander around.
Yeah. He does, actually, and if we didn't have these earphones, all of the audio would be lost. While he's here, I'm going to talk about all of the complaints I personally have about Kevin. And hey, he's back! Hey, how you doing? How's it going? I was just saying that normally these earphones, they're $50.
Not a bad price.
No, not a bad price, but with DHgate, $23.97.
They seem to be pretty good about these discounts.
Oh yeah, plus they have more discounts for you. They have more discounts along with the discounts they already have.
I want to learn where I can get all these great discounted prices. Do you happen to know where that might be possible?
Yes, it is in the link in the description below for DHgate. Yes, DHgate. Oh yeah, and I just dumped it. Yeah, DHgate, the link on the description below, they give you all the discounts and they give you all the information on these products. And speaking of information, let's go ahead and do some product demos for these earphones because I want to try them out for a bit.
Let's. This way.
Hey, what's up? So, we got Lenovo Think Plus right here to help us out. Now these guys are actually waterproof, which is super nice if you're working out or you're going on a walk and it's raining or something. You're not going to have to worry about water getting into these guys and just messing up your day. But I'm just going to use it to chill out for a bit, listen to a podcast. So let's just open them up. And look how cute, sleek this is. Tells you everything. Tells you if it's connected or not. Let's connect them right now, actually. So, it's actually really simple to connect. You just hit settings, find your Bluetooth settings, which will be right here. And then once they pop up, just hit connect. Boom. Done. Let's go ahead, just listen to a quick podcast. Yeah. Usually whenever I wear earphones, I have to turn the volume up so I can actually hear it. These are super loud. I heard it in an instant. Very clear voices. Hang on, let me... Yeah, just very clear all around. Super good quality of sound. This is better than the quality of this sound is actually better than my car's Bluetooth speaker, which is, that's saying something. It's actually a pretty nice Bluetooth speaker. Wow, this is good. Yeah. Very nice. Hey, how's it going? You already saw me using the other headphones for just casual day-to-day use, and I didn't want to repeat that for these guys because these guys are particularly made for gaming. You can see by how they light up. It's very nice. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to go on our little computer here and play some games. Don't tell Kevin that I'm using the office computer to play games. I will be fired. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just open this guy up, and then we're gonna go here. You'll see that we got Lenovo LP6 right here. So we're just going to go ahead, put these babies in my ear. Look how nice that looks. They're just very sleek. I like how it lights up. That's kind of cool. So let's put this baby right here. All right, and now we're gonna connect. We're connected. Very easy. So let's go ahead and start playing some games, shall we? Do that. You can't. You can't. Because I got headphones in.
So DHgate, for all of you out there, it's a pretty excellent site to actually get awesome prices on a lot of high quality merchandise.
Yeah.
I want to share a little bit more about that with all of you out there.
Definitely. Yeah, as you all saw in that product demo, like both of those headphones were quite excellent. Had really good sound quality, paired no time at all.
Reliable technology.
Yes, reliable technology. And DHgate, you have reliable discounts.
I like reliability. In this crazy, topsy-turvy, make no sense, people taking rockets into outer space kind of world that we live in nowadays, to know that something actually is reliable is a really great thing.
Yeah, it's true. And with DHgate, you get a wide variety of favorable prices. Everything you want can be bought at DHgate, and it has super fast and worry-free after sales. Yeah.
There are a lot of different methods that DHgate offers for you to actually get those awesome prices. Let's chat a little bit about that.
Yes, let's chat about that. Well, first of all, let's talk about the Black Friday shopping sale that DHgate has.
That's great.
And they have so much stuff. So let's start with the multi-tiered discounts.
All right.
Yeah, the multi-tiered discounts for Black Friday shopping come like once a year, and once you meet like a minimum spending requirement, they start opening up tiers for discounts, and once the tier is met, discounts automatically applied. You don't have to type in any specific code, just it's applied immediately.
It's automatic. That's really cool. So like, for instance, what is the first tier?
First tier would be $99.
What do you get off?
$6.
$6 off if you spend $99. All right, not bad. What's the next tier?
$19 off every order up to $249.
Motivation to spend a little bit more money, save a little bit more money.
Indeed. Also, $59 off of every $599 purchase.
And remember, these are products that are engineered really well, and the price point is already going to be highly competitive.
Yeah.
So here's your extra discount on top of all of that.
And you also get a discount for being a new user. So if you have not heard of DHgate before, or maybe you've heard of it, but you're like, I'm not sure about it, well, good news for you. They have new user benefits. So you can pick between a few different user benefits. So you can do 1 cent and $2 off of any subscription. And new user benefits, you can claim your new buyer coupon pack right now.
Also helpful.
Yes.
And of course, there's going to be a free prize giveaway because, hey, why not? Just up the ante a little bit.
Yeah.
Adron, tell them what they could win.
They could win an iPhone 13 for free.
I want an iPhone 13.
I also want an iPhone 13. Yeah, you have 2 chances to play per day. And you could also earn DH coins and big discount coupons, special offers if you're VIP. Yeah, they have VIP discounts.
Very, very cool. So when does all this awesome stuff take place? When is the DHgate Black Friday sale? Tell all those wonderful people out there if you could.
The DHgate Black Friday shopping sale is happening between November 23rd and December 1st.
You heard it right here.
Yes.
So click on that link in the description below and be taken to their site where you will see an array of a lot of well-engineered products already at a great price point with all these different incentives to save money.
Yes, and you can also get a look at their coupon center for up to $500 off multiple high-quality items with, once again, fast 3-day delivery plus some compensation in case anything goes wrong. They got you covered. Don't worry about it.
That's good. You know, I'm sure everyone out there has heard about the supply chain issues. Well, a little extra due diligence from a company that's trying to make sure that you get what you order is always appreciated. There's a lot here to appreciate.
There's a lot here to appreciate. Well, that has been this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Thank you so much to DHgate for sponsoring this video. If you want to look at all of these different products we talked about today or more, link in the description below. Click on DHgate's site.
You won't be sorry.
Nice, good discounts.
Yes, indeed.
All right, well, from Los Angeles, California, I've been Adron.
I've been Kevin.
Be safe.
Stay kind.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.